Hey guys, what's up everyone, and welcome back to this video. Once again, Crypto Dose with you over here. We're gonna be having a look at Bitcoin XRP Ripple. I haven't done a technical analysis or video on XRP as well as VRA. Great time to buy the dip, but let's have a look at Bitcoin first because Bitcoin is king, as you guys can see right here. Bitcoin is essentially dropping right now, and as you guys can see on the right side of my screen, everything else is dropping. At least most of the altcoins are bleeding right now. So nothing too special over here. Yesterday, if we zoom in on the daily time frame, I'm gonna get back to the 4 hour in just a second. So yesterday we actually had a breakout above the 50,000 level, which was approximately around this area. Let's have a look. If you guys want to be this perfect, it would be right here. And usually when we have a breakout, we're usually going to come back and retest it. Okay, nothing special, nothing new. I said in a lot of my videos. Okay, so what can we see over here? I wouldn't be surprised personally to see Bitcoin see a nice little bounce off the 50,000 before actually moving on. Does that mean that here is a bad level to buy? No, it is. That does not mean that, because that would essentially be a 2% 2% loss, of course, if it goes below, if it stops right there, and you could essentially potentially miss a gain of 23% approximately, or even more than that if we go back to the all-time highs. Of course, if we go back to approximately 55,000, that is 10% gain. So that's with Bitcoin. Let's have a look at the EMA ribbons real quick. As you guys know, I love the exponential moving average. Can we come back and retest these exponential moving average? Yes, but not likely. I think it's just way too far unless we do consolidate for a few days from there. Let's have a look at the 4 hour time frame real quick. On the 4 hour time frame, we could definitely come back and retest the exponential moving average, which is sitting right here, as you guys can see. So we do have two levels of resistance. We got one right here and two right here. So we got two previous resistance. This was a W pattern I was talking about, and then essentially the breakout. Now, if you guys didn't see my video, I believe it was 2 days ago, I did have a target for the W pattern. Let's have a look real quick what the target can be approximately. If I take this, bring it down, put it at the breakout, which is exactly what we're seeing, it's 55,000. So this is the 55,000 level that I'm talking about. Of course, this is the retest that we're seeing before seeing the nice little bounce to $55,000 region for Bitcoin. That's a quick update on Bitcoin. Let's have a look at Verasity right here. Verasity getting supported exactly at the EMA ribbon on the last one. As you guys can see, these help a lot, and they're very useful in times like this, I would say. But on the daily time frame, I wouldn't be surprised if we come back all the way to 37, 3.7 cents essentially. Why? And the reason why I say this is because we do have a strong resistance right here. If we have a look at the VPVR, if we have a look at the VPVR volume profile, and I put it right here, we do have some volume at that region, as you guys can see. Boom, it's exactly at this region, VPVR volume profile. But of course, if I extend it, it would be a different story. It would be all the way, let's have a look, it would be all the way right here, which is exactly essentially the same thing, nothing too crazy. So right here is essentially where VRA has mostly been traded at, and it is not a volume right here that you see at the bottom. This shows how much VRA were traded in that time frame. The VPVR volume profile essentially tells you the support and demand, and as you guys can see, this is a support region. Nothing too crazy to see here, and you know, in my opinion, sorry guys, in my opinion, having VRA come back to 0.037 would be a good buying opportunity. Of course, you could dollar cost average as we go down. Anyways, having a look at XRP, can we potentially have a breakout right here from XRP? We did get a nice little rebound right here off the EMA ribbon. Let's take a look and take that away real quick. In my opinion, if we do manage on the 4 hour time frame, we didn't break clean, or did we? We did break clean on the 4 hour time frame. We did break clean apparently, but in my opinion, I would like to see a nice little clear, I would say 1.41 before being in the clear for XRP. We've been consolidating between this region between 1.33 and $1.03. Can XRP come back down to this region? Yes, very possible. It's very possible we consolidate and have a nice little run one more time, at least to 115 before bouncing back up. if we have a look at the VPVR volume profile in the 4-hour time frame, as you guys can see, the mostly traded zone was actually right here at $1.14. Not a lot of people would say it would be right here at $1.21, but no, it's actually right here. This is where the demand is. This is very, very useful, of course, for intraday traders. I would highly suggest using the volume profile. If you don't know how to use it, I would highly YouTube it as well, and just to understand more about it for you guys who don't know how to use it. But it's probably one of the most powerful tool out there in trading. Anyways, guys, of course, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, it's free. Like, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.